Is your camera option missing from allowing access on iPhone for certain apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, and other? Hi there, this is Eve, and here is how you can quickly get the camera option from Allow Access setting on your iPhone. So let's get started. Solution 1. Enable camera from Allow App setting. Open Setting. Tap Screen Time. Tap Content and Privacy setting. Tap Allowed App. Enable camera. Go back. Turn off the setting on iPhone. Solution 2. Enable camera access for apps. Open Settings. Scroll down. Tap Privacy and Security. Scroll down. Tap Camera. Enable access to all necessary apps. Solution 3. Open Setting. Scroll down. Tap General. Tap iPhone Storage. Find out that the app that's not showing camera access. Tap Offload. Tap Offload again. Tap Reinstall the app. Solution 4. Give reset all settings. Go to Settings. Scroll down. Tap General. Scroll down. Tap Transfer or Reset. Tap Reset all settings. After following the process, if you still have any issues, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.